Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes. So today we are going to learn standing line. What we are going to learn? Standing line. Yes. Before practicing and before writing in the book, we will practice it on the slate. The slate. हमने आपको slate दिया है. Parents, प्लीज आप वो स्लेट पे बच्चों को स्टैंडिंग लाइन सिखाइएगा. यस, स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके, आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्लेट के ऊपर करना है. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट ऑन द स्लेट एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट इट इन बुक नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 31. See, I will show you book number 1, page number 31. The same way I had drawn on the board. मैंने बोर्ड के ऊपर ड्रॉ किया है सब. ठीक है, जो बुक में आपके दिया है वही चीज मैंने आप बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, so all of you, are you ready? If the child, parents, I request you, if the child is not able to write in the book, so make them practice in the slate. स्लेट के ऊपर थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करा दीजिए एंड देन वो बुक में लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो shall we start? So all of you ready? Will you write with me? Okay, so take out your book number 1 and page number 31. Page number 31, that is maths number 1. We'll practice number 1. Okay, take your pencil and start writing with me. We have to trace. What we have to do? We have to trace. See, there is one big box with a flower. How many flowers are there? 1. How many flowers are there? 1. How many pen is there? मेरे हाथ में कितनी पेन है? I am having 1 pen or 2 pen? 1 pen. Yes. How many books are there? I am having how many books? 1 book. Yes. So we are going to write number 1. So come, let's do. There is a tracing line. We have to trace on it. Okay? Don't forget to trace. Many kids are not tracing the lines and they start writing in the box, under the box directly. No. First you have to trace the line and then you have to write down. Okay? So come on, let's do with me. Trace it. Dot के ऊपर लिखो, रखना है अपनी pencil. Put your pencil on the dot. Trace it properly. Connect all the dots like this. Yes. Yes. 1. See, I have written 1. 1 लिखा मैंने. Good. So now I will take another blue pen. I will take another blue pen and then I will write 1. Again from the another box, press. Yes, 1. What you have written? 1. What you have pressed? 1. So again press in the another box. Press. Join the dots. Press. 1. Yes. आपने क्या लिखा है? Number 1. Speak and write. Okay. Number 1. Press it again. Slowly and touch it. Number 1. Okay. Press it again. Slowly and touch it. Number 1. Press it again and slowly touch it. Number 1. Press it again. See the pressing lines are there. Join it. Press it. उसके ऊपर ही लिखना है. Press it. Number 1. Yes. This much now you have traced it. Okay. Now you have to write by your own. No pressing line. अब देखो दूसरे बॉक्स में ट्रेसिंग लाइंस नहीं है. So सो फिर आपको अपने आप लिखना है. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी कैन राइट नंबर 1. बोलो चलो नंबर 1. नंबर 1. वेरी गुड. नंबर 1. Yes, this way you have to write. Number 1. Yes. Number 1. Number 1. Okay? Number 1. Very good. Number 1. Done? Number 1. Fine? Come on, write with me. Number 1. See, I am speaking and writing. मैं बोल भी रही हूँ and लिख भी रही हूँ. So the same way you also have to do the same thing. You have to speak and then write. Okay? बोल के लिखना है. Number 1. Number 1. Another box. Number 1. Another box. Number 1. Another box. Number 1. Yes, you have finished this page number 1. What you have finished? Number 1. Okay. Now on the next page, first this you have finished. Now on the next page, open your book, turn your page. Yes, turn your page. There is one. I will show you. There is. See, open your next page. You will see count and color the picture. Can you see? Count and color the picture. देख रहे हो? Yes. So how many picture? कितने picture है? One picture. How many picture? One picture. How many sun? One sun. Okay. This picture you have to color it in your book. This you have to color it in your book, and the same this you have to draw it. See the shape, triangle shape. What it is? The triangle shape. So we have to draw the triangle. So let's do on the board. Come. Let me erase it all. Let me erase it all. Yes. Okay, fine. I have erased it all. Now what is this? Draw the triangle following the steps and color it. You have to draw the triangle and following the steps. Follow करना है आपको steps. यहाँ पे steps दिखाए हैं ना, वैसे आपको follow करना है. So I will write it on the board. What? Which shape you will draw? Draw the triangle. Draw the triangle. Okay? But कैसे करना है? First you have to draw. There are three steps. देखो मैं यहाँ साइड में कर रही हूँ. First you have to draw this slanting line. So दूसरे में हम slanting line करेंगे. Next slanting line and then slipping line. Okay? Fine. So here we will do it. There are three steps you have to do. The slanting line, one slanting line, then the another slanting line, okay, and the slipping line. So this way you have to draw the triangle. I hope you understand. कैसे करना है? One slanting line, two slanting and then slipping line. क्या है? Slipping line. Okay? ठीक है? And then you have to color it. Draw the triangle and color it. Then what you have to do it? Color it. कौन से कलर से करना है? मेंशन किया है? कलर करना मेंशन किया है? कलर इट. मेंशन किया है? Let's see. No. You can color with your favorite any of the colors. If I want to color it, I will color with red color or black color, any of your favorite color. See, ऐसे भी color करना है. Either you have to color it like in this way, in the slipping way, ऐसे slipping way में color करना है, या तो फिर you can color it in a slanting way. ठीक है? This way you have to color it. See, ऐसे you have to color it like this. First you have to color the border of the triangle, and then you can color the triangle in any way, but it should be in a slipping way. Slipping way में होना चाहिए या तो फिर slanting way में होना चाहिए. So you have to color it. Okay? See, I am coloring. I don't have color, so I will color with this pen. Pen से color करूँगी. Check it out. देखो. पहले बॉर्डर को कलर करेंगे. पहले हम बॉर्डर कलर करेंगे. ओके? यहाँ की भी बॉर्डर, नीचे स्लिपिंग लाइन की बॉर्डर कलर करेंगे. स्लिपिंग लाइन की बॉर्डर कलर कर दे ताकि हमारा कलर बाहर ना जाए. नाउ यू कैन कलर इट लाइक दिस. ऊपर से शुरू करेंगे हम. दिस वे, स्लिपिंग वे में. ओके? बिल्कुल भी व्हाइट जगह नहीं छूटनी चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट लीव. यू शुड नॉट लीव द स्पेस. व्हाइट कलर नहीं छूटना चाहिए, व्हाइट जगह नहीं छूटनी चाहिए. सब जगह पे रेड कलर करना है. यू कैन टेक रेड कलर ऑल्सो. एनी कलर, विच एवर कलर यू वांट. ट्राइंगल कोई भी कलर का हो सकता है. रेड, येलो, ब्लू, ब्लैक, orange, any of the color. This way you have to color it whole triangle. आपको पूरा triangle ऐसे color करना है. देखो, ठीक है? See, I am doing it now. You also do with me. देखो, मेरे साथ करना. ट्राइंगल में कलर. Yes. Do it like this. Yes. See, मैं स्लिपिंग लाइन में कर रही हूँ. लाइन के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Should not go out of the line. This way you have to color your triangle, whole triangle. पहले ड्रॉ करना है. कैसे करना है? One slanting line, another slanting line, then slipping line. Okay? One slanting line, another slanting line, and slipping line. And this way you have to fill the color. See, I am doing it. See, in one way only, the one position only, in one way. Yes. See, I am doing it, and my triangle is going to finish it. Going to get finished. थोड़ा सा बाकी है. See. another slanting line, and then slipping line, and color it with your favorite color. Fill the color with your favorite color. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed and understood everything. So see you next time. Bye bye.